Here at Global Information, we're always trying to be on the cutting edge of what's happening in the tech and in media, and one is virtual reality. So we've partnered up with Shadow Factory and other amazing companies to put together a VR demo inside of a factory. So we're working this time with InnoPlus. It's a solar LED manufacturer here in Shenzhen, China, and we're going to show you clips of all different scenes in different rooms. This is going to be the future, we're sure of it, because nobody's going to have time to fly over to China from America and other countries. So check this out, let us know what you think, and we want to make more amazing VR experiences. This is just the beginning. Enjoy!
Welcome to the Global From Asia China Factory Experience. Here, you can tour factories, meet manufacturers, and find great products without an expensive flight to China or even a visa. Today, we are at InnoPlus, a manufacturer of solar-powered outdoor LED lighting. We shall visit their design house, meet the founders, and more. Let's get started. Click the big button on the door to go inside. InnoPlus Design Center is located on a rooftop, offering plenty of sunlight to develop wireless, automated solar-powered LED. Many of their products are installed throughout the roof deck. Check out their latest products here and learn more about how solar-powered outdoor LED technology can help save the environment and increase your bottom line. Afterwards, we can proceed with the tour. On the left, we have the R&D and design room with more information on InnoPlus qualifications and what they have made. On the right, we have two options. You can enter their main office, meet the founders and visit their tea room, or you can hop into the 3D printing room. InnoPlus proudly meets several standards of excellence, showcasing their ability to make the best in solar outdoor LED lighting products. With many years in the industry and more than 300 staff, this is a factory you can feel confident to work with. Check out some of their awards and learn more about the factory by clicking the information box. Welcome to the main lobby of the InnoPlus Design Center. Directly above, you can find a ceiling light in the shape of the company logo. This light automatically switches on at 4 p.m. each day. A number of products developed here share similar features. In front of us are the sales, marketing, and admin teams, working hard to ensure that production is on schedule and that clients from around the world are serviced adequately. Behind us is their tea room, where you can watch a product overview, while to the right is the CEO's office, where we will meet founders Bryant and Leo. Welcome to the tea room. Almost every company in China will have a dedicated space like this one for receiving guests. Although we can't serve you tea, we can show you some InnoPlus products and how they work. Click on the icon to watch.
Recording here at InnoPlus Factory,
Yes.
and we have with us one of the co-founders, Bryant, like
Yeah.
Kobe. Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks, Bryant.
Hello everyone, welcome to our company. Thanks for coming. I'm Brian, the co-founder and general manager of InnoPlus. We are the professional solar lamp enterprise integrating research and development, manufacture and marketing. Leo is my partner. He is the CEO.
Hello， 大家好，我是技嘉科技 CEO Leo， 欢迎大家的到来，欢迎欢迎。
We have the Global from Asia TV interview about his story. If you are interested, you can watch it. Thank you.
在进入这个行业的时候是2006年进入，最早的时候我们是做的夜晚带来更多的安全感。
Welcome to the prototyping room, where newly designed products are built and tested. At the far end is a drop test machine. a mechanism used to measure product durability and packaging integrity against the impact of a fall.